you don't have an abacus, right? But we talk about like vanilla WoW and making like things classic, no changes types of calculations. Like these things right here, like this is the thing. This is the original, right? This is classic arithmetic.
Yeah. Yes.
You know.
It's very binary.
Yeah, indubitably. In all things, there must be
perfectly balanced.
Perfectly balanced.
No changes. Okay, let's go. What is this?
It's a toilet cleaner?
No, toothbrush.
That's actually
A Swedish toothbrush.
this is I think it's a Q-tip.
You sure? It's a little big. I think you can put this in your mouth though, and you're just it's like your teeth, your inside. The inside of your teeth. That's why, dude. Okay,
Yeah, you
so
take it and you do this.
you just take it and you just give them. You just give them one of these. Well, this one's not a. Maybe just like this. Because like the thing is, dude, is like
Let me see.
Like I had that problem last time I went to the dentist. They said.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah. This is probably a cheap one. Oh, this is the good one, the expensive ones.
Yeah.
You just do this and you get your tongue and the inside of your teeth.
Why has nobody
and
done
the roof of your mouth.
Why has nobody done that?
I have tried to put that in my anus.
Nice.
Oh, someone got hungry.
Wait, this is real.
It's like angel food cake.
No, this is real. This is real bread.
It's real bread.
I'll eat some. Do we eat some?
It's real bread.
I'll eat some if you eat some.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay, ready? Actually, I don't know if it's real.
Don't try to pinch it. Take a bite.
Yeah,
Put a mouthful. Just take a bite.
Or give it a check. Hold.
Got it?
Is it real?
Of course it is. Take a bite. Oh, no, it's not real. You're an idiot. Actually,
It's good.
I thought you were like memeing for content.
Okay. Well, I think it's time to hide. What are the best hiding spots in IKEA? Would you say?
Are you playing hide and seek?
Oh no.
No.
No,
we would never do that. We would never do that.
Is that a popular thing?
Excuse me?
Is that a popular thing here?
Is
At IKEA? Do people do that at IKEA?
No, not often.
Okay. Gotcha. That's a good idea.
It's a really good idea.
Would it be bad if we played hide and
Dan,
seek?
the Wolf just drew sub for 9 months.
Now that you mention
Hi,
it,
Dad. Why are you with these guys?
we have 30 minutes to find us.
30 minutes.
I think we need more than a minute if we're not running and stuff.
Yeah.
30 minutes to hide, 30 minutes to find us. So it's currently it's basically 6 o'clock, 6:30.
Okay.
Meet back. We'll find each other somewhere
Yeah.
on this floor.
I'll give you guys 2 minutes to hide.
Exactly. So we'll get that corner, buddy.
I'll sit.
Okay, yeah.
I'll sit in the corner. Oh, hello. Wait, who are you?
Playing hide and seek with people.
You're playing hide and seek with people?
Close.
I'm playing hide and seek with people.
I'm like,
What? Wait,
oh no, fuck. This
Wait,
guy
what?
found me. He just opened.
you guys are playing hide and seek
Yeah.
too? We're
So
playing
I won. You didn't find me.
I'm playing hide and seek.
With who?
With my friends.
I was found last. I win.
You what?
I wasn't even found by you.
Find someone else.
I heard
Wait, what?
you because you said
Are you
like,
guys-
I heard you say like I have to open every closet door, and I was like, oh god, no.
So are you guys from here?
Yeah.
Is it a normal thing you guys do for fun?
No, it's the
This is
first
the
time.
first time.
Well, that's my first time too.
Aw.
Well, cool. Wait, what?
That was so awkward.
Well, do you guys want to help me find my friends?
Sure. I found someone. Someone in the town.
It's a kid.
Wait, hello? Hello. What's up, dude?
You found me, man.
No, I found you.
What?
Do you want to meet my friends? This is Jay. They were also playing hide and seek in
You
IKEA.
found me in a closet. It was very awkward.
Yeah, I said, hey, you guys can come on and play with us. Yeah, I know. I know.
Funny.
What are the chances?
Hey.
Hey,
Dude, this stream delay is crazy. I didn't know you were coming up. I was like, oh wow.
dude, how long is the delay? Oh, it's because you have a mobile
Let's
delay.
see. You're walking up, and you just opened.
Dude, that actually looked
Right.
Well, hello there. Damn, that took some commitment right there.
It was good, wasn't
Esfand,
it?
how did you get down here and not break? How's that light still there? Did you have to put it back? You had to move it, right? Oh my God! Hold on, let me get one more shot of this. Look at this, fellas. Jeez, look at this guy. Look how cozy it is. I mean, not cozy it is down here.
So I went and I asked one of the owners. I asked her.
You what?
I told him, like, hey, I'm playing hide and seek. Where's the best place to hide?
You asked who, a lady that worked here?
Yeah. And she goes and she lifts up the sofa thing.
No way.
Did you see the picture?
No, I didn't want to cheat. I didn't look.
Right. Look at this.
Oh, show me. Yeah.
So she goes, we look around a little bit.
Yeah.
Right? We look around a little bit. And then some of these sofas, they lift.
Oh,
Actually,
no.
this one does too. Let me show you.
Oh, no. Wow.
So some of these, they lift.
Oh, my
So
gosh.
hide in here.
Pick that one up. Make sure Chance isn't in it. Pick that one up. Make sure Chance isn't in it.
So,
Oh, wow.
now, Ryan, look. I go in there and I'm like, is this thing going to be okay? Is it going to break? The other guy comes in and he's like, no, it's not going to break. It's fine. If it breaks, I'll order a new one. Sure. Boom. Right as soon as I put my knee on it, yeah.
No.
As soon as I put my knee on it.
Esfand, you did not. This one?
Not this one.
Oh, no?
Literally, it was within seconds. He was like, don't worry, I'll order a new one if it breaks.
Are you serious? Why do they keep talking about a ladder? He's not in this ladder. What are you talking about, the ladder? He is not back here. Yes, he is!
Wait, what? Dude,
That's a great
a
spot!
good spot.
Dude, you were right here. That's what I blame you.
Trey,
Look at that.
No, dude.
Oh, my God, Chance. That's God tier. That is God tier right there. That is God. Oh, fellas, that's impressive.
Exactly.
This, what do you guys think of this Mun's bit? Black currant, blueberry, and acerola. Acerola oat smoothie. It's disgusting. Wait, maybe I can do this. How's that look? Now they're like a little kid in a chair.
He actually do.
Yeah,
Nice.
there you go.
That's actually really good there. Wow, that's impressive.
That's pretty good. It's pretty good. Okay, guys, you get one of these. There you go. Just go ahead and suck on that. This will keep it.
Hey, haven't you learned your lesson?
Oh, my bad. My bad. Well,
That's fair.
I figured
Nice
if
knowing you, buddy.
look, I figured if I'm not with
knowing you,
I
buddy.
figured if I'm not with Miskiff, I'll be fine.
Yeah.
It's really dark.
It's very tender.
Whoa.
You can see that.
Easy.
No, I'm just.
Okay, it's not falling. It's not falling.
Look very good.
Well, give them a bite first.
Yeah, what the hell?
I
Jeez.
split it for them.
That's man. Damn. You're so
All right, here, you guys, open up. Say Oh, very good. Very good, guys. Delicious.
Okay, you redeemed yourself. You redeemed yourself. That was awesome.
Do you have a pink word?
A pink ward? No. I don't ward. I just have a visa. Pink ward got unbanned recently. I swear to God, dude, she's just like every other jungler whenever I played League of Legends. Midsummer is like the peak highlight of Swedish summer. I'm telling you about it. It's the IRL stream of the year. Yeah, guys, but like, I want to play Classic. Like, that's like, I know like I did a lot of IRL and stuff over the last like year and a half, but like, and I'm still going to keep doing IRL. Like, I'm going to still keep doing IRL. I'm going to still keep doing variety. I will still keep doing that stuff, but also like now that I have Classic, like, that's like the main thing that I've been waiting for, right? And I don't know how much longer the Classic beta is going to last. It's a beta. I know it's a beta. But it's amazing. Like, it's fine. Like, we still want to do a dual tournament. Like, there's still stuff we want to do. I literally can't burn myself out of WoW. I literally can't. Classic. Right now. Maybe eventually. Maybe someday. But right now, today, I can't burn myself out of Classic. I've literally been playing Classic like 14 hours a day for like the last like 3 weeks before I came. I turn off my stream and I don't go to bed because I'm playing Classic for 3 or 4 more hours off stream. I sleep 4 hours and I wake up again. I'm actually addicted to the game. Like, I love Classic WoW. I love it so. It's literally the best game. One time in football, we had our coach that said, imagine what would happen if you didn't show up today, okay? Right, you can call in sick, you can do whatever. You just don't go, you just stay at home and relax. But then on that one day, the most amazing thing in the world happens. We had a crazy team meeting. We had guests come in. People were crying. Lives were changed. Babies became boys. Boys became men. Men became fathers. Fathers became grandfathers. And I think about that all the time. What would happen if you just didn't show up? What if a pendulum of doom would drop the day that I'm here for Midsummer? What if I could get that 4.0 speed, two-handed axe, 187 top-end damage, chance on hit to decapitate the target in the beta? I don't know. I'm just...